We started out with printable material, and eventually we wanted to pivot the company to better meet the needs of the 21st century classroom. And at that point, we envisioned a platform where we could offer interactive learning activities as well as books, eBooks. And that's when we reached out to Enable to help us develop that platform. We've been collaborating with Enable for the past 2 years, and we've had great success in developing our new platform. And I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that we've been able to develop a really good relationship with Enable, and based on trust and commitment. Because they care about the project, they pull together their best expertise to carry out each phase of the project. Team members bring together their unique perspectives, their creative thinking, their expertise to the table, and that helps us move along. One of the things that our team truly appreciates about working with the team here at Enable is their commitment to our projects, the way they listen to our needs, and their expertise as well. So one of the things that we have seen working with Enable is their curiosity. They are curious, they are engaged, and they want to know how they can put forth our vision of the project. They're also very authentic. They are sincere, and they really want to be involved and engage with our ideas and our project. Working with Enable is not only inspiring, it's also very reassuring, because with the team here, we feel that we're in good hands.